important topic. Okay, SLA, very important topic. So SLA is nothing but the service level agreement. Service level agreement. Service level agreement. The interaction between customer and client is known as SLA. The interaction between customer and client is known as SLA. Okay, next. OLA, operation level agreement. Operation level agreement. The interaction between client and vendor. The interaction between client and vendor is known as OLA. The interaction between client and vendor. Is known as OLA. Next. Next, underpinning contact. UC, underpinning, PINNING, pinning contact. Underpinning contact.
Is underpinning one word or two words?
No, it's one word only. Underpinning contact.
Contact.
Yeah. By interaction between. So, OLA is the client and vendor, right? You wrote. Yeah. This one is the customer and vendor. The interaction between customer and vendor. is known as OL. Next, underpinning contact. The interaction between customer and vendor is known as underpinning contact. Okay. Next, differences between SLA and OLA. Important interview question. Differences between SLA and OLA. Important interview question. Answer is type. Answer is type. Only type only difference is there, guys. Differences between SLA and OLA. Answer is type. Next, types of SLA. Types of SLA. Response SLA, resolution SLA. Response SLA, resolution SLA. Response SLA, resolution SLA. Next, SLAs are stored in SLAs are stored in contract underscore SLA. CONTRACT, contract underscore SLA. SLAs are stored in contract underscore SLA.
Pandu, sorry, can you repeat again? SLAs
SLAs are
are
stored in contract underscore SLA.
contract underscore SL. Okay.
One second, I'm writing the chart here. Okay. Contract underscore SLA. Next, table name of SLA is task underscore SLA. Table name of SLA is task underscore SLA. Task underscore SLA. Next, conditions of SLA. Conditions of SLA. Start, pass, start, pass, stop, start, pass, stop, and reset. Reset. And reset. Okay.
Can you please write in the chat?
Sure. Start, pass, stop, and reset. Next, put the heading as a retroactive start. Important, very, very important interview question. Retroactive start.
Did you say retract?
I will write in the chat.
Okay, got it.
Retroactive start. Retroactive is a checkbox. Retroactive is a checkbox. We can enable the checkbox. Retroactive checkbox. Okay, enable the checkbox.
Pandu, sorry, can you repeat again?
We can calculate the field time level. We can calculate the field time level. Okay, calculate the field time level. Okay. Now enter into the SLA concept. Okay. Suppose SLA will be run on most task related table only, like incident, problem, change, service request, these things. Okay, coming to incident, most major cases we are using the incident only. See, every incident will be created based on the priority. Based on this priority, the incident will be there. Okay, suppose I am facing a network issue. This is the critical incident. The priority should be P1. Okay, without network, I can't work in Servicenow. Okay, suppose I'm facing some server issue. I'm unable to open my Outlook. I'm unable to open my Teams. Okay, so this is some priority should be high P2 incident. Like that, every incident will be created based on this priority. Okay, suppose I raise a critical incident. I'm facing some network issue. I raise the incident to network department, but so they didn't take care total whole 1 day means, so my work will be lost definitely. I didn't work anything without the internet. So here they introduce SLA concept. Okay, SLA will be calculate the time based on the priority. The time consideration will be there here. Okay, suppose P1 is there for so for P1 SLA, I assume that 2 hours of SLA is running. Within 2 hours, the assigned 2 people will be resolve the ticket. So we only need to back and set up the SLA. P1 incident is running 2 hours. Within 2 hours, we need to resolve that incident. So it will cross that 2 hours. So without the state doesn't move to resolve, definitely the SLA will move to the breach condition. SLA will be breach means definitely client will escalate the things. It will the big escalation to you. Not only to you, whole team will be suffer for this one. Okay, SLAs could not be breached. Suppose here if you have one question. Suppose critical incident, the time is 2 hours is there. Within the critical incident is running 2 hours of the SLA. Within 2 hours, we need to resolve. Suppose it will take the total 1 day for my development activity, then you can move to the testing, then you can move to the production. It will take total 1 day. So what can I do? So what can I do means before 2 hours only. So within like 1 hour 40 minutes or 1 hour 50 minutes or 1 hour 59 minutes, So we can put that incident is in the hold. Means SLA will move to the past condition. Whenever you can move to the incident is on hold, SLA will move to the past condition. Okay. So like this, we need to set up the SLA. When will be the SLA will be start? When will be the SLA will be passed? When will be the SLA will be completed? So how can we set up the timings? So where can this SLA will be attached? So everything we can see in this session. So suppose I'm submitting one incident. So this is a medium SLA. This is the medium priority. So medium SLA will be created. Like this way, for every priority, we need to create this SLA. So when we submit the incident, where can we see this SLA means? See here we can see this SLA in the down. See here we are able to capture this SLA. Okay. So we need to create this SLA based on the conditions will be matched. Here you can able to see the SLA. See when the breach time so has breached. How many minutes time left? How many minutes elapsed time? When the SLA will be start? When the SLA will stop? Everything you can see here. Okay. So now we can create that SLA. Okay, that SLA will be attached in our incident table. Okay, very, very important, guys. So based on the priority, the SLA will be there here. Okay. So how can we create this SLA means?
Go to the navigation bar and select the SLAs.
Yes, I know. Okay, type left navigate the SLA definitions. Okay, under service level management SLA, click on the SLA definitions. Okay, so so you can filter navigate. So definitely you will get one notification. Whenever the incident is created, you can see notification. So in the notification, priority field is there. Otherwise, you can come the incidents and you can navigate the filter like this. You can select here priority is P3 like that. Okay. So SLA definitions. So click as a new. So for example, I'm taking the P2. Okay, you can do every priority P1, P2, P3, P4 like that. Okay. So first we will go for there are two types of SLAs there. One is the response SLA, resolution SLA. Resolution means within the time we need to resolve the ticket. Response means within the time we need to assign the ticket. That's it. The assignment group people we need to assign the ticket. That is we can give the response to the caller. Okay. So first we can go for the resolution P2.
Hello,
INC.
sorry for the interaction. Like, can you please repeat on the response and resolution?
Resolution is nothing but suppose I will create one SLA here. Within the time we need to resolve the ticket. That is a resolution. 1 second. So within the time, we need to resolve the ticket. Response is nothing but, suppose I assign the ticket to network department. Okay. So for response also another SLA is there. Resolution one SLA, response one SLA is there. Resolution have the time, response have the time. Assume the resolution have the 2 hours is there. Within 2 hours, they need to resolve the ticket. For response SLA, 15 minutes is there. Within 15 minutes, the assignment group people will need to assign the ticket. Suppose nobody will be assigned the ticket in that group, means this SLA will also go for the breach condition. Suppose I assign the ticket to network department. In that network department members, one of the people need to assign the ticket. First of all, whenever the incident is comes to in our queue, first we need to do the resolution will be do, that is a secondary. Primary should be, first of all, we need to assign the ticket. So we only need to assign, or somebody you will move to another people, that is your choice. First of all, suppose the ticket comes into the Servicenow queue, first you need to assign the ticket, that's it. Because you cannot assign the tickets means, so customer can think, so this guy is not working our ticket. Suppose you can assign the ticket means customer can think somebody is working the ticket and the response SLA also completed. If you did not assign the ticket means that SLA will go for the breach condition. Okay, SLAs could not move to the breach. That is not a correct way. Definitely big escalation, not a small escalation. Understand my point? Now you got it. So who was this guy? Abhishek, right? Okay, so let's see practically you can able to see how the P1, how the resolution, how the response, then you can understand clearly. Okay, so just I'm giving the name as a P2 in INC resolution. Okay, type SLA. Target is the, first you can go for the resolution. Okay, table name as the incident. Okay, this is the flow is there. So this thing we can discuss the later. You can go for the service catalogs. Okay, now here user specified duration 2 business days by 4 p.m. 3 business days 4. You can go for the user specified duration. User specified duration means is nothing but the user's time zone. Okay, duration here days, hours, minutes, seconds is there. Okay, this is the for testing purposes. I'm giving only for the 2 minutes. Within 2 minutes, the incident should be resolved. Okay, so here schedule source is there. SLA definition. No schedule means the SLA will be run the 24/7. Suppose you raise the incident ticket to midnight to 1 o'clock. So without resolution, 1 hour 2 minutes, the SLA will go for the breach condition. Okay, so this SLA will be run to 25/7 because some of the people are working on the shifts, right? Rotational shifts. So for this purpose, we can use the 25/7. So you can go for the SLA definition. Schedule means, suppose I will select the schedule as a 8 to 5 weekdays. Okay, 8 to 5 weekdays means that this SLA will be run on the only for the weekdays. You raise a ticket on Saturday, the SLA will not be calculated. The time will not be calculated. Only it will be run on the 8 to 5 weekdays. Morning 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Okay, if you write the ticket from morning 8 a.m. to 5 p.m., then the time will be calculated. Okay, suppose this SLA is running the, assume that this SLA is running the 2 hours. Okay, you raise a ticket for evening 4:30. The SLA is running only up to 5 o'clock only. The SLA will be calculated 4:30 to 5 o'clock, remaining 1.5 hours next day morning 8 to 9:30. Up to 9:30, the SLA will be run. After 9:30, the incident should not be resolved, means it will go for the breach condition. Okay, this is the meaning of the schedule. Suppose your shift timings, wait 1 second, please. Your shift timing should be 11 to 8 is there. Suppose, but here 8 to 5 weekdays only is there, means 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. only is there. So if your shift time should be 11 to 8 is there, or 12 to 9 is there. Okay, or 2 to 11 is there. Means how can we change this schedule? Means schedule. Okay, so under system schedules, go for the schedules here. See here schedules are there. Okay, Suppose if you open the 8 to 5 weekdays, come down. See, if you want change time means you can change the time here. 11 to 8. 11 to 8 means here 20. See, every weekday, Monday to Friday only. Daily means you can give the daily, Saturday, everything. Here also you can change it. 11 to 8. That's it.
Pandu, whenever we need a changes, do we need to update the existing records or can we create new records?
Which one?
Schedule records.
No. Update the existing record. That's it. Don't create the new records.
Okay.
Duplicates will be created.
As per our requirement, we just need to change the timing. That's all, right?
Yeah, that's it.
Okay.
We can go for the schedule. We can change it. See, now I can search it here. Means see 11 to 8 weekdays is come. That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Somebody is asking some question. Think Shweta?
Yeah, Pandu, this is Ramana.
Yeah.
Yeah, Pandu, this is entire SLA design is based on client requirement or
Yeah,
our own
definitely client requirement. Without client, how can we go for the individual level? Definitely it is based on client requirement. Client will give the different every input when the SLA will be attached. So what is the time duration? So what is the schedule? Everything client will be do.
Okay.
Okay.
Priority timings also.
Yeah, everything. See, P1 should be 2 hours. P3, P2 should be 4 hours. Assume that P3 should be 6 hours. P4 should be 10 hours like that.
Okay. If we want to any modification, we'll give the client permission.
Definitely, if you want to do anything changes without client permission, you can't do.
Okay.
Because somebody, some other team will be asked, boss, this thing I want, this thing I want, means definitely you need to check with the client.
Okay.
Okay. Somebody is asking some question. Lady, I think. No?
No, Pandu.
Yeah, fine. Okay. No, this is the totally based on the client. Suppose client ask I need from only this time to this time, means we can go for the schedule. Otherwise, we will go for the 24/7, no schedule. That's it. Okay. Now start condition. When this SLA will be start? So our main agenda is the P2 tickets, right? First you can go for the active is true. Active is true. And priority is P2 high, and assignment group is I'm giving as a not empty for this level. So we have for these conditions mentioned, then I know the SLA will be started here. Okay. So here retroactive start is there. Okay, this one I will tell you next level. Okay, maybe after coming this SLA setup, we will go for the next topic. This is very, very important topic. Please wait for some time. Next, when to cancel. When this is SLA should be cancelled. Suppose I raise a P2 ticket. Okay, the assigned 2% will be changed the priority, but this is not as a P2 issue. So we can go for the P4. This is not as a too much important. So I'm changing this priority. So this you can mention the in additional comments, he changed the P4. Now what happened? Whenever he changed the P4, now the P4 time will be calculated, right? So P2 SLA will be cancelled. P4 SLA will be run. Okay. So when to cancel? cancel conditions are met. So here we need to give the cancel conditions. These conditions will be met, the SLA will be cancelled. I'm giving as a priority is not P2. Okay, so priority is not P2 means you can change the P3 or P1 or P4, then this SLA will be cancelled. The particular priority SLA will be attached here. Okay, otherwise, one small shortcut condition, start conditions are not met. You can give this means, so these three conditions not met means definitely SLA will be cancelled. Okay, this SLA will be cancelled and you can change the priority, that SLA will be running. Thus SLA will be attached there. Okay, now pass condition. When this SLA should be passed here?
Want to take for an example, if the user has been changed the priority from 2 to 4, so from there the P4 SLA will be calculated, right?
Exactly. P4
Is it-
SLA will be attached and P2 SLA should be cancelled.
Okay, so
Every priority SLA will be there here.
okay, if you have a P4 SLA condition in the system, then only it will get started, right?
Exactly. Okay. For every priority, we need to create these type of SLA definitions.
Okay, got it.
But I'm taking the example as a P2 only. Okay, you can do for every priority.
Mhm.
Okay. Next, pass condition. When this SLA should be passed? When this SLA should be passed? Suppose my incident is running. Okay, but the time is crossing here. Okay, my incident is running, but the time is crossing here. Okay, so I need to change the state to in progress. Sorry, whenever somebody will be assigned this ticket, okay, automatically the state will be changed to in progress. Is back in UI policies are running, so that's why he's going for the mandatory only. See, now the state should be in progress is there. Okay, so I need, when the SLA should be passed means, suppose the time should be 2 hours is the SLA. Assume that. Okay, the 2 hours it is crossing the time. Right now 1 hour 58 minutes is there, but the incident is not resolved. So what can I do means, state I will put as on hold. I will give the state as state in progress is there, right? I change the in progress to on hold. I will give the on hold reason why this one, waiting for vendor or waiting for call or information something. I will give the exact reason. I will save this incident. Now what happened means, the SLA will go for the pass condition. Means time will be stopped there only. 1 hour 58 minutes only. It will not move the forward here. Okay, SLA will be in pass condition. SLA will be pass condition means SLA could not be breached there. Okay, but whenever you are putting as on hold, definitely you need to mention the additional comments clearly to the client. Why you are putting on hold? Well, like as a valid reason. Okay, waiting for some vendor or waiting for some development activity like that. Okay, without any reason you will put on hold means then also client will be escalate the things. Okay, one incident or problem ticket is there in our queue means definitely we need to resolve the ticket as soon as possible. Incident is nothing but what is the incident? Why the customers are raising the incident? Anything they are facing the issue. Okay, they are raising the incident. We did not resolve the incident, the issue will be there. Same thing. The issue will be there, still they are facing the issues. So that's why we need to take care. Incident or problem tickets is there in a queue means, first of all, we need to assign the tickets and need to work on the tickets. This is our priority level. Okay, and pass condition. When this will be passed, I'm giving the state is on hold and on hold reason is one of, you can give all things. I'm putting a shift, I'm giving. You can, customer can select any one reason. Okay, any one of any reason. So when to resume, so you can give the pass condition not met. So these condition not met means it will go for the reset level. Reset means constant resume condition. 1 second. conditions are not met. Okay, these conditions. So suppose these conditions are not there means, so definitely go for the resume condition. Resume means, so nothing will be there. Next is stop condition. Stop condition, when this SLA should be stopped. Okay, so whenever the incident is resolved or closed, state is, I'm giving as a resolved or closed. So in real time, in past conditions, one more condition we can add is and state is resolved or state is resolved. State is resolved or state is on hold, it will go for the past condition only. That is totally depend upon our requirement. Client will be asked when we can stop that SLA, state is closed or state is resolved or state is closed. Okay, instead of or we can take is one of. Is one of or both are same. Okay, reset conditions nothing, guys. Okay, we cannot use reset anywhere. Don't go with reset condition, go for the start, pass, cut, stop. Okay, now we can create the SLA. Oh, sorry, this is the 2 hours. I'm giving as a 2 minutes, you can take it for this. So we can't wait the 2 hours, right? For testing purpose, I'm giving as 2 minutes or 3 minutes like that. Okay, real time 2 minutes or 3 minutes, nothing will be there. Resolution SLA means
So we don't
definitely-
ever use a reset condition or what?
Sorry?
We don't ever use a reset condition?
No, we didn't. Oh, yeah, we didn't ever use the reset condition.
Is there a
99%.
reason for that? Because I mean, it's an option.
No, that's
But-
its option. See, reset means, so if you give the exact so if you give some so what can I say, some active is true or something, whatever condition you can give means it will the reset. Reset means nothing SLS will be there.
Oh, it'll just go back to the default settings. then.
Exactly default status.
Okay,
Reset.
got it. Got it.
So that's why we cannot use the reset condition. Okay. Now we can create a SL. And so before creating the SL, I think some UI policies are running. I will inactivate the UI policies because the state values all I read only is there. So I told this example for last batch. Okay, so now I'll create a new incident. Okay, so okay, and priority should be P2. Okay, and test incident P2. So you can give the Segment group. Okay. Okay. So now you can save the record. See, the condition should be matched. Active is true and priority should be P2, assignment group is not empty. Now you can see after saving this record, you can see the SLA will be attached or not. Come down, see here, our SLP2 in NC resolution. SLA is running here. Has breach right now, false is there. Breach time. Okay. So this my laptop is running the 3 hours late. So that's why it's showing the 5 minutes. Don't confuse. This is the 2 minutes only here definitely. Okay, see my laptop, my time should be 9:44. But what is our time? 9:48 is there. Okay. So stage. So business time left, only 1 minute left is there. Okay, 2.5% is running. Okay. So if you want to do some, so when will be the time started, when is the past time, so everything will be there here. Okay. So suppose I will assign this ticket to, so the assignment group should be IT Oracle users is there. So these group members will be assigned this ticket. Somebody will be working on this ticket. Suppose this guy is working on this ticket. Okay. See, now come down, see how much SLA, 56% SLA. Suppose he is working on this ticket. So the time is 2 minutes is there. Within 2 minutes, we need to resolve the ticket. Suppose wait for 2 minutes. Okay, after wait for 2 minutes, what will be happen? Okay. Definitely SLA will move to the breach condition. Here as breach true is there. This right now it is a yellow mark is there. So this will go for the red mark. So 83% means only 20 seconds time left is there. %. 99. Let's see. Suppose I didn't move to the state to resolve, what it will be happen? See, 100% has breach true. And definitely. So breach means, so the SLA will not move as a breach condition. Okay. See, how can we know this SLA will be breached? How can we know means every time the notification is triggered here. See, by using workflows also, I will tell you notification can be triggered. Here default SLA flow is there, right? So in this flow, they will set up a notification. SLA will move for 25% trigger notification. SLA move for 50% trigger notification. SLA will move for 75% trigger notification. SLA will move for the 100% trigger notification. SLA will be moved to 100% and SLA go for breach means it will trigger notification to us. Okay. Because suppose we are working on this incident, so every time I didn't move to and check it, right? How much time is this? So can trigger notification means okay, you can identify SLA is the 75% is there. Means only 30 seconds we need to close this incident like this. Okay. Now we can create another incident. Let's see. See. Now SLA is running. Okay, so this somebody will be, this guy is working on this ticket. Okay, so this guy is working on this ticket. So in the middle of the things, he needs some information. Or the time will be, see right now, 60.67% is there. But he thought that, so definitely it will take whole 1 day or 2 days. It will resolve the ticket within, it will take some nearly 2 days. So what can you do? Just you can change the status to on hold and give the on hold reason, something, waiting call or waiting vendor, like that. Okay, here they mention the additional comments why they can put on hold. Okay, waiting for vendor information, give something, save it. Okay, now what can I do? See, the SLA will move to the parcel, so it will not, next time will not move forward, just it can move for the parcel. Okay, we can give the exact reason, means this call is nothing but the client customer, this customer also. So whenever we can give the additional comments, definitely the notification will be triggered to this customer. Okay, so he can able to see the notification, open this incident, so read the comments. Okay, no issues. Okay, so he want anything, means again he want some comment out. Okay, something, no problem, like that. So incident will not move forward. See, 14% only is there. Okay, like this we can kept on hold level. We can create another incident. Let's see. Now this incident, we can resolve this incident. What happened? Wait, Shweta, please wait for some time. Okay, because I'm middle of the thing. After completion of this thing, I will read your question. Okay, just I will submit your incident again. Can go for why you can go for see, P2 answer resolution is there. Okay, now suppose I will assign this ticket to this guy. This guy is working on this ticket. Bethangeline is the assigned to person. He is working on this ticket, and he know how to resolve this ticket. Suppose OS is not working, something software related things. He know. Okay, so he resolve this ticket. Change state to resolve, and give the resolution information. Caller. See, stay should be completed. Okay, like this way, we need to go for the SLA. Okay, it's like this SLA. Everything the client will be provide the requirement as. Okay, so what is the Shweta's question? Every time do person need to mention the P2 or P3 while raising the incident, or else based on priority it will take high means P3. High means P2 is there. Critical means P1. Okay, that is based on the priority. We only need to give the P1, P2 level. Customer not think that this is the P1 or P2 like that. Then assign to person, he will know. Suppose I am the Servicenow developer. Somebody will be raise the ticket. Okay, he mentioned as every time P1. I thought that, but this is not as a P1. Okay, I change to P3. Then the P1 SLA is cancelled. P3 SLA should be running. Okay, the who is raising the ticket, these people will thought that we decide this priority. Okay, automatically the setup will not be there. Okay, so clear, guys? Any doubts?
Pandu, whenever we creating these SLA conditions, so there itself we have to mention the table, right? I mean to say whether it should go to the incidents or problem.
Yeah, here we need to give a table based on this table only. Wait, based on this table only, here fields will be visible here.
Okay. So whenever we create incident, all the incidents will fall under this table, right?
Exactly.
Whatever the SLA has been defined in this table, so the same will be attached to that incident.
Yes. Conditions should be matched means the cell will be attached. Okay. So clear, guys. This is the SLA.
Hello.
Okay. Yes.
Yeah, Pandu, for suppose if I want to when customer is raise a request, for suppose assignment group person is I don't know exact resolution. I want to take some time, like 2.5 hour,
Yeah.
on that time I want to change SLA time.
No. You did not change SLA time without client information. So without client approval, you do not take the change. So that's why you can put us on hold. That's why we introduce the concept of SLA move to the past condition. It will take some time to suppose 1 hour is there. SLA time is 1 hour, but you are selling the 2.5 hour needs the time. So definitely you need to go for this past conditions only. You did not change the time.
Okay, Pandu, another question.
Hmm.
When caller is raising two requests, it's the same problem. If I want to delete one request, take
Why?
the permission.
Why he raising it two incidents?
For suppose.
Why he raising the two incidents? For suppose means how can he raise the two incident at a time? For same thing, for same issue, why he are raising the two incidents?
I have the doubt.
That doubt only, and I'm asking the question to you. Suppose the same incident is there, same group, I need to raise the incident with the same ticket. Why I'm going for the two, so we can go for the one thing, right?
Okay.
Otherwise, suppose unfortunately you can go means don't delete the thing, just you can make active false.
Pandu,
Active
take for an example, first time I've raised an incident. And after 2 hours also, I didn't get any resolution or response for the incident which have been raised. And after 2 hours, what I'll be thinking is instead of following the same ticket, I'll go for another incident for the same issue. So that's how also we can raise a duplicate incidents for the same issue.
No. This type of scenarios you can't duplicate. Definitely these type of things also. So you will get for the bad mark for you.
No,
So suppose wait.
Still they
Yeah,
can
I
raise
understand the thing. I understand the thing. Without so this incident is not resolved. We can close this incident. We can go for the other incident within the time. Okay, this guy is there, right? Caller should not accept that one.
Okay. Do we have any
he raise the
feature?
incident. 1 second, he raise the incident without the resolution, without resolve the ticket. You can close this incident means how can this guy will be accept?
Okay.
This guy will escalate the things directly to your manager.
Okay.
So if the time is moving up, nothing will be there. Just you can put on hold. You can give some reason. That's it. Valid reason.
Do we have any feature in Servicenow to identify the duplicate tickets?
Duplicate tickets means so normally
with the same short description. Take for example.
Yeah, that's it.
We have 2 tickets with the same email email subject, so it should come to a short description as a subject.
Yes, exactly.
So if do we have any feature in Servicenow to identify as a duplicate?
Identify means just can go for the list view.
Okay,
that's it.
Got it.
Here you can add the filter and short description is you can give the short description. It will filter out it. That's it.
Got it.
Okay.
And the other one is, as I said, if you have 2 duplicate tickets for the same issue, can we relate it in the form itself?
2 duplicates ticket for same issue. The 2 instances are active statements.
Yes.
So you can mention the valid reason in the comments and don't close it. Just you can make as a active false. So after closing the ticket also, suppose unfortunately it will create. Suppose assume that you create one incident. Okay, the same your colleague also create the same incident, same issue. Okay. So what can you mention? So it will take care only one incident. So directly you can state resolve and you can give for the valid comments and you can close it. Nothing will be happen. Otherwise, without closing or directly you can cancel it.
Okay.
Cancel it. Cancel is also a exact scenario for duplicates.
Okay. In the details, we can write it. This is
Yeah.
a duplicate of so and so. So we
Yes,
are canceling this.
exactly.
Okay.
Exactly. Yeah. So this is the thing, guys. So any doubts you can ping me. I'm sending the video now only. Okay. So please go ahead. Okay. Thank you, guys. Bye.
Thank you, Bandu.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good night.
Bye.